Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing this Harriet Wright Designs A5 wide standard life planner kind of size spiral planner. And all I've done is take it out of its wrapping. This is the box. It got a little smush, but I doubt that did anything. But it comes in this gorgeous black box with the Harriet Wright Designs full logo here, and all I did was undo this tab. I haven't actually opened it yet. So let's open it together. Ooh, everything's nicely packaged. Let's get rid of the box here. And yeah, so nothing happened to it, just a little squished box. But this is all nicely wrapped. So, open it up. Ooh, look at this. Look at the tissue paper. Wow, that's really nice. So let's zoom in a little bit more. This is like Harriet Wright Designs tissue paper. Little extras here. And here's the planner. Wow, she a big girl. Look at that. Look at this, a big girl. She's got a good hefty weight to her. Okay, so I should say this is an A5 wide or sort of Erin Condren Life Planner replacement spiral planner, 12-month, monthly and weekly, with divider tabs from Harriet Wright Designs. She is a British store, so I'm happy to support like European businesses. And it doesn't have, should I say, just get into it, like what I want to use it for is my pre-planning, and my main thing for wanting to choose a spiral is because I like to have it open onto the side of the page that I'm using for that half of the week, and then have it open on the other side, and it just helps my brain rather than having something that's closed, which then I never basically think about it. It has to be open. So that's why I picked up a spiral. And I also wanted to get an A5 wide one instead of like B6 or something smaller, because I have a bunch of kits that I want to use up, and I can use them all in here for my pre-plans, and I can film that for you guys. So yeah, I chose, there's a bunch of them on the market, a bunch of great ones. There's also Print Pression and OK Plans, but I just went with Harriet Wright Designs. She had a release out. I'm not sure if they're still in pre-order, but you have to go check out her account to see if there's still any, but I just really liked hers. She had the black coil, which you could select gold, rose gold, silver, and black, I'm pretty sure, like all of the standards. So I picked up the black, and this is pretty much exactly the same sort of coil as Erin Condren. It's really like, it's really strong. I love that. Great black coating. They don't have replaceable covers. This is just a permanent cover. And I chose the luxe pattern, so you can see it has the luxe pattern that I'm really obsessed with lately. And it's just on both sides. But you get a few other designs, like they said 2021, and all sorts of like Disney princesses, but I really loved this plain one. And I didn't really need to use replaceable covers. So let's have a look at the extras we have here in a really pretty vellum envelope. Let's open her up. So we just have the invoice. Hopefully I didn't just show my address. Alright. And we just have a little thank you card there from ordering from Harriet Wright Designs, which will be linked down below, by the way. We also have like this little freebie of foiled icons. And I picked these up to go on the tabs. She had these in different foils, and I just picked up black to go with the black coil. We have January through December, and then you have Notes, Goals, 2021, and MISC. So there's a few other sections here you can label with what you want. So let's get into the planner itself. This is a really nice, like this cover thickness and this coil feels just like Erin Condren. I love that. And then we have a vellum. Oh, that's a nice thick vellum too. Feel that. That's really nice. It's just like a really soft, like milky white You have Harriet designs, so beautiful and clean. I love like the sort of Times New Roman serif font this planner belongs to and dated. So this does come undated completely, so you can make it any year that you want. I mean, I know it's already February, but I wanted to start later. I didn't really mind. Then we have some quotes here: dream, plan, do, and there are dreamers and there are planners. The planners make their dreams come true. You know, I'm not a huge fan of inspirational quotes, but I do love these ones because dream is like one of my favorite words or whatever. Like if I got a word tattoo, it would probably be dream. So I really love that. That's a really pretty quote. Then you have just some grid paper here with the crystal glass dividers. You see there, so you can actually like decorate all this stuff, or you could do like a little dashboard here. Like you can do all sorts of stuff with these clear dividers. And the paper is really smooth, really soft, like still papery but smooth and soft and really thick. So that's really nice. I think it's 120 GSM. I can't remember, maybe 80 pound. So first here we have like the 12 boxes. So you could do this with a yearly overview. So you could use the like the 2021 one up here. Which way do you put it? I suppose it would go, what's happening here? Like this. So you have 2021, but you could also make it like goals, or you can have like 12 goals or whatever. Like label it whatever you like. That's really nice. And then you just have another grid at the end, and then you start the first month. So I would probably, I don't know if I want to start like mid-Feb or if I'm going to wait until March. I might wait till March to properly use this. But then you have this sort of notes pages, and she makes sticker kits for these pages. If you want to choose to use that. It's really nice. You have like 3 sections, dot grid, a little title here and a section here. So she has like stickers for like habit trackers and stuff. And then you have the monthly, which I think just fits standard monthlies. Really cute, all completely undated, very clean. Super easy to put like the tops on here. I do like that. I don't know if I need another monthly, although I could use this monthly for, if I start filling in these monthlies, I might use them for my content planning. So that could be useful. So maybe I'll start getting some standard kits to go in here. I wouldn't film them, it'd just be for myself, but that could be doable. And then we have the weekly spread. So let me go through a middle because you got all 12 months in here. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because sometimes months will have 5 weeks and sometimes they'll have 4. So you might have some extra weeks left over in this planner, but that is super nice to have them. So let's go in the middle so you can sort of see it properly. This is the weekly layout. So it is a bit different to Erin Condren and all that. This is literally just big columns. Like these are 1.5 wide. And then just a straight column from top to bottom. And then you have like a lined sidebar here. So there would be a tiny little bit of work to make this work for normal kits, like having the bottom washi. But I would just line up the bottom washi with the bottom line here and the date covers with the top line here. I think that's doable, but it does actually serve for multiple different ways you want to plan. Like if you just want to use the entire column and not use bottom washi, that's super easy. And if you do want to do like split washi, you can just do a little bit of whiteout in the middle of bits here. But otherwise, I think, well, you'll see how I plan with it, but I think it is doable and usable. And I'm just looking at the printing, and it's a really, you can see that, full focus. It's really sharp, black, nice printing. Looks perfect. God, this baby is heavy. She's beautiful. Yeah, so I didn't mind to lay it. It's a bit more different to work with than the typical has room for date covers and bottom washi, but as I said, you can make it work for all sorts of different kind of spreads. So then we have all of those months in there. all 12 months. And then you have a final one which has the grid on the back and the final little divider. I always call them dashboards, but they're dividers. And you have a bunch of the grid. Oh, you have some grid, and then you have some plain pages with notes on the top. That's really cute. It's really clean. I love that. And on the back, it just has the information. It's designed and produced in the United Kingdom, which is pretty cool. I know whenever I've looked at making stationery stuff, a lot of paper goods can be manufactured in the UK, which is pretty cool. So that's nice. It's all made in the UK. And we have another vellum at the back actually, which is a really nice little way to sandwich it all together. And then the back cover, and then we should say the inside of the cover is the matching light pink. It's a super light pink, but I like that. Sorry, my desk is covered in crap. But yeah, that is the beautiful set here. I don't know if I want to, like, maybe we can put, because I don't want to, like, use up all the stickers right away, because I'm going to start it in March. So you're going to have to check back on my account to see the first pre-planned video of this in March. It's a pre-plan, so it'll be the first week of March. I will do my first spread in here, and it should be fun. But I've seen there's another really in-depth review around by Virgo Paper or something like that. Well, Virgo Planner. She has Virgo in her name, and if you just look up this planner, there's a really in-depth one. She does a pen test and everything, and it looks like pretty much no pens pretty much bleed or ghost through this paper. So that sounds really exciting. I'm looking forward to pre-planning in this, having a spiral again, and just playing around with it, trying different stuff, I think, and using all the kits that I just haven't used. But that is everything I got from Harriet Wright Designs. The planners are gorgeous. She also has a B6 size if you're looking for that instead. Check out her website and her Instagram and stuff for info. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this. It's super high quality, and like the product and then the design is also just gorgeous and chic. Anyway, so I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!